On our way out, date night ready. We're on our way to listen to some live jazz and have some food, get us a few drinks. Date night with the hubby. He's going out of town tomorrow. I'm gonna miss him. So he had to take me on a date tonight. Right, Joe? Mm-hmm. You had to take me on a date tonight because you're going out of town. Come say hi to you too. And he fixed my laptop. You are amazing. Okay, so I'll check with you guys later. I'm about to enjoy my husband's company. What's up? So it's another day, it's another sleigh. I'm on my way to brunch per usual. It's Terry's birthday brunch today. She turns 31 and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing. But yeah, we're gonna go try out this new spot. It's called The Bend and it's over on Palm Beach Island. So yeah. That's what we're gonna go do. Nikki them is downstairs about to pick me up. And then, yeah. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. So we are here. I already had 2 drinks, so I am a little, you know, tipsy or whatever already. I'm in the bathroom. Sorry, you guys, I don't wanna face the toilet. I don't know, things like that drives me crazy. But this bathroom is so cute, y'all. It is adorable. Yeah. So we just chilling. Good vibes, good energy. Yeah, bathroom check. Oh my gosh! We're just living the good life. What are you doing? I'm recording.
Tiki top.
Make it drop. Drop top.
Birthday girl, where you at?
Turn up. Oh, do it. Hey.
Go. Don't worry. Hey. What's that?
I don't know how to do it. You know how she be doing like,
She be doing a TikTok.
They be doing it. Make it TikTok.
Ooh.
Make it TikTok.
Make a TikTok.
Hey, we too grown for TikTok, but we gonna make them panties drop.
Make them boy shorts drop.
The knee.
Shit was so fucking funny. We was so dumb.
But you guys, we are leaving brunch. We are just living our best life. We're in these people back.
We out of breath.
We
out of breath. Don't worry. Yeah, everybody's suffering. I don't mind doing it.
Okay, we're leaving. Bye, guys. Okay guys, so we are in the car and we are about to go get our nails done, our toes done. I have no idea where I'm, wait a minute. My door is open. Are you fucking serious? That door in the back is open? Are you serious? I gotta get out the car because the child lock is on. I think I'm gonna go to I think I'm gonna go to Brio and get me a salad. I like their salad. Or I can go on the water somewhere. I don't know. Let's think about it. Switch up the scenery a little bit. Yeah. I think I might go try somewhat different. Just trying to think. Let's think. I'm gonna see what Nikki is up to. See if she wanted to meet me somewhere. Cause I'm about to stuff my face.
As soon as I finish the tray, our brownies were done. I'm gonna let them cool for a few minutes while I go ahead and clean up the kitchen.
I don't know where she came from.
Hey guys, what's up? So, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I have a few errands to do. I have to go get my nails done because my nails look hideous. Oh my gosh, so bad. I have a lot to do. I have to go get my nails done. I have to go pay a few bills, like walk in, pay a few bills. I wish I can pay it online, but something is going on with my account, so I have to go to the actual place. I have to go take a few bags for a donation. I'm donating a few of my clothes. And also, what else do I have to do? I'm about to go get me some lunch, get my nails done, donate those bags, pay some bills, and grocery shop. I have to go to the grocery store, do some shopping. Hey guys, so today has been a long day. I went grocery shopping, went to get my nails done. Say hi. Hi. Yeah, so I got dinner on. Now I did get me some flowers, you guys. I'm gonna show you my flowers. I got a really, really beautiful bouquet of roses mixed with other type of flowers. And I did buy me some. Just about to go take a bath. And I did get me some new wine. I want to try a new cocktail tonight. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna mix up together, see how it tastes. Yeah, I'm gonna put my flowers in a nice vase, and then I'm gonna show you guys how they look, and then I'm gonna get my cocktail together. Be right back. A fresh bottle of Moscato. Taste it. Come. Bring me my wine, man. We're gonna see. Why your mouth is not as small?
No, that's good.
What do you think? Would you like a glass of it, or would you want to go in?
No.
You want a glass of this? Okay. Hey guys, so today is another day. We are down in South Beach, celebrating my girl Denise's birthday. She's doing something small, nothing major. We're about to go to dinner. We booked a room. We're not doing too much here, but Kira is in Zara getting something. I didn't have time to really shop because they're closing everything early from the situation that's going all over the world. So, yeah, we're about to go to Wet Willie's and see if they're open, and then get ready for dinner. For real? So we're out at the strip club.
50, young ladies, Dave, Mona, you're in Vegas. Nikki, you're on standby.
Trying to record for YouTube. Hey guys, we're out and about. Birthday. View right now, guys. It is absolutely beautiful. It is so beautiful. Look at that. Just feels so refreshing and just so fresh. And this is like an Airbnb kind of spot that we booked for tonight. We only stayed here one night, so we didn't get like a room, but we always do this. Miami is right up the street from us. Like, this is my city. Like, I don't stay in Miami, but I stay really close. Palm Beach look like this too, so I just love it. I just love my home. Like, I love being a Florida girl. Like, so beautiful, so beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my makeup. I did my wig over this morning. I like it better now. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish. Our stuff is all over the place, so I can't give you a room tour right now, but it's pretty. Hey guys, so I am back from Miami, and tonight is Taco Tuesday. Me and my family is about to make tacos, nachos, and watch movies. You guys, I don't want to downside what's going on in the world. I am totally aware of what's going on. I really don't speak on things like this because of my anxiety, but if you guys was curious on how I was doing, I'm doing okay. I'm trying to keep my mind busy and, you know, relax and keep calm because this is happening all over the world. I don't know what's going on. I don't know the solution, but I just hope everybody is safe. All of my family is safe. All of my friends are safe. And I pray that each and every one of you guys are safe. But we will get through this together. But I do feel like it's a lesson for each and every, like, it's a lesson. I don't know what type of lesson it is, but the way the world is like shooken right now, it's just like, I don't know, it just humbles everybody, because it doesn't matter what type of money you have. It doesn't matter what race you are. It doesn't matter on what you believe in. Everybody is affected by what's going on in the world. And I don't know if it's the government. I don't know if it's, you know, a lot of people are saying different things about it, and I can care less. But it is happening, and the world is just going crazy right now. So hopefully I can lighten the mood a little bit, and I will be uploading content, so much content, because I'll be home a lot, and the content is not going to be on the event that's happening right now. It's going to be positivity. I'm going to show you guys how to do date nights at home, and how to do facials and spas at home, and doing your own pedicure at home. I have so much thing lined up for you guys. We are going to still continue this journey and staying positive, okay? Keeping and speaking positivity in our lives. Pray to whatever you're praying to, and we're gonna get through everything together. So tonight, like I said, it's Taco Tuesday. We're gonna find a good movie. We did go to Target and get some tacos and nachos. It wasn't a lot of stuff, so we're gonna use what we have and we're gonna make the best of it. I have the two most important people in my life right here next to me, and we are safe, and I cannot be so grateful for that. I honestly feel like us influencers and creators are like, this is the time that you guys need us to create content. You guys are home, you guys are stressed out, you guys are going crazy. So I do think by us uploading content, creative content, it kind of gets your mind off of what's going on. It's kind of some type of entertainment. You can watch us at home. So I do feel like us influencers, we need to work our butts off so we can influence you guys to still be happy and still get through it all. We're gonna get through this together, okay? So me as an influencer, I'm gonna do whatever it takes to put your mind in a good space while still trying to put my mind in a good space. So yeah. All right, you guys, so I have my hamburger meat cooking right now. I put a little seasoning, salt, pepper. Now I'm gonna use my taco mix to mix with the hamburger meat. I forgot that I had this, so I'm not gonna put too much because I don't want it to be super salty. But I do want that taco.
Hi guys, Dawson. Mom cooking tacos. Homemade tacos.
Yep.
Guys, look at my dress.
Joseph made him some bread.
I'm going to sleep on the floor tonight. And
What movie are you watching tonight?
Home Alone 2 and Toy Story 4.
So, they didn't have any like tortillas, little flat bread. So we're gonna try out these. They're soft tortilla bowls. So that's all they had, because you know everything don't have no stores have anything. Definitely like bread products. Everybody is buying it out, and we like to use these tortilla scoop chips. It's good. Okay, it is time to take a shower. I am taking my Neutrogena wipes and wiping my face off. I only used one wipe so far. Alright, so I'm gonna tie my hair now. This is how I normally go to sleep. I'm about to take a shower. And I'll be hot. Here you go, son. Come to
The table?
on the floor. This is Joseph's little pallet.
Yes.
He's super comfortable. Say hi, Dad. You haven't been in this vlog. So we're about to turn the lights off. Excellent, Dad. Excuse me. I'm about to turn the lights off and we are about to watch a movie. Okay? Say good night.
Good night.
Hey. Come on. You so quiet. Okay, go turn the lights off, Justin. that light in there. We blow this candle out. I have such a dry cough. Okay, and okay, so let's get on the floor. Daddy, hit that lamp over there. Okay.
That fish was inside.
Yeah, I think that's dark enough. Okay. Good night, everybody. We'll talk to you guys again later. Go ahead and lay back and enjoy your popcorn.
Bye.